search for run, click it, type the following text appwiz.cpl, click it. The uninstall page will appear. In this you have click turn Windows features on or off is tab, click it, and in this you have seen media feature is tab. It should be in enable mode. If it is disabled means you need to turn it on and make it enable. Once completing this, come back. In the next step, search for run, type the following text percentage local app data percentage Roblox, click local storage and delete the files inside the local storage. Come back, click log folder and delete the files inside the log folder. Come back, click temp capture storage and delete the files inside the temp capture storage. Once completing this, close it and restart it. Thank you.